Man with the Iron Fist, 2012. Man, Forging the Iron Fists. Razor. I think Razor was the director of the movie. Let's have a look here.
I strayed from the path, and I paid the price. The pendulum of karma swings both ways. They made me a cripple. But if you help me, I'll forge my greatest weapon ever.
As a young mind, we taught you that in the beginning, there was the Word. Yet when man failed to hear the Word, we were forced to teach by action.
The chi in your body travels through the 12 vessels and builds up in your Dan Tien. Your triple burners convert all particles to energy.
By learning to regulate breath and controlling your chi, a man is capable of amazing feats. If one can find the source to one's own energy, you can transmit that energy to activate inanimate objects. You and the object become as one. It becomes a slave to your will, your mind, your chi.
Man with the Iron Fists. I think Razor did a great job here. I think he is the director of the movie, and I don't know, it was his first movie as a director. I believe he did a great job here. Yes, sir. The Man with the Iron Fist. They also have a lot of great actors here.